If you're expecting your staff to get tools and stock in and out of the back of a ute, then feel free to consider a folding access step. They're a great option to ensure people of all abilities can get tools and stock in and out in a safe and compliant manner. Now, all your staff today might be all spring chickens that don't mind hopping in and out, but consider that over the 5 or more years you might have this service body, there might be other members of staff of all different ages and abilities. Perhaps they've got injuries, these sorts of things to consider. If you've done this, if you've made this investment from day one, the vehicle can be used by everybody for years to come in a safe and compliant manner. Feel free to book an appointment with a Hydrive mobile workspace specialist. We'd be keen to understand your trade and build what you need to succeed for years to come.